Hiya folks, JD here, and this week we've got a different format video. So before we get into that, I just want to say thank you to everybody for last week. What a great week. Went through a load of different things. It was a spur of the moment week because the bad weather just came in and stopped me from flying straight, so I couldn't do anything. So thank you all for your reception for the videos that we all had last week. Right, getting on with this week, let's start off on Monday, and Monday's video is a special video for all of you. Tuesday, we have the 10 toys for Christmas. This is the Heliball unboxing and flight test. I had an absolute ball with this thing, no pun intended. Wednesday, we have the MJX Bugs 2SE unboxing. Well, is this worth it? Is it not? This is a fantastic looking quad. Find out more on Wednesday. On Thursday, we have the MJX Bugs 2SE flight test. And once again, is it worth it? Or is it a flop? Well, only one way to find out, friends. Tune in on Thursday. Friday, we have the FTX Bugster Brushless Hill Climb. This is hill climb stunts, jumps, crashes, you name it, it's in this video. Saturday, we have the RC Advent Calendar Truck Build Part 1. And on Sunday, we have the RC Advent Calendar Truck Build Part 2. Well, there we are, my friends. That's what we've got coming up this week. Hope you've all got your Christmas presents all done. I'm still working through all of mine. So I tell you what, folks, I hope you all have a fantastic week. Look after each other and look after yourselves. And I will see you very, very soon. Take care of yourselves and happy flying.